If you found this reading today, it's not a coincidence. This card is speaking about the wishing tree. My wishes grow big like a tree. And this message is meant for you. In today's reading, we are looking at why does this connection feel unfinished? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111. Take what resonates and release what doesn't. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll see how it goes. Current emotional energy, 5 of Pentacles, root of confusion, the moon, what is hidden, page of Pentacles, what you need to understand, 6 of Cups, next development, 3 of Cups, guidance for your heart, King of Swords, likely outcome, the Magician. Okay, if you see, the overall theme is my wishes grow big like a tree. Okay, so you are wishing that your wishes will grow big like a tree, and the current emotional energy is 5 of Pentacles. You are feeling sad and depressed. You are emotionally lost actually. This is your current emotional energy. You are regretting it, and you are regretting for something, and you feel you are surrounded by a failure or you lost something. So you are in a very depressive and failure or regret energy. And root of the confusion is you are emotionally low, and this might be because of some illusions around you. That illusions may be around a third party situation. There might be some third party in your life who is creating the confusion in your relationship. So I feel it's basically a relationship reading where the overall energy is my wishes grow big like a tree. You always wanted your wishes to fulfill, but your current emotional state is very depressing, and you feel regret and you feel it like a failure because of some third party. You are under some confusion or some illusion of this situation. So there might be some third party because of which or because of whom you are feeling confused right now. So what is hidden is you are trying to manifest. As I said, your wishes, you feel always like your wishes should manifest. So you are trying to manifest a successful, happy relationship where you can see growth and happiness. So this is your hidden energy. This is hidden in your heart that your relationship should be successful and it should give you stability and growth. And what you need to understand, you need to understand that you need to give time for yourself, and you need to spend a quality time with your family and friends, and you should emotionally stable yourself, because as I said, you are emotionally feeling very low because might be of third party, and because of which you are feeling failure and you regret it. So you need to take a time to spend with your family and friends and refresh your emotions and go back to your childhood memories, which will give you nostalgia, which will eventually clear your emotional blocks. Okay, and the next development is once you clear your emotional blocks, the divine will bless you with the success, and you will be celebrating that success with your family and friends. So in order to see the success, you need to clear the emotional blocks, and that emotional blocks will be cleared when you spend a quality time with your family and friends and refresh your emotions. Okay, and the guidance for your heart is, so you are trying to take some decision, you're putting pressure on yourself, you're thinking a lot, but don't worry, the divine is guiding you that you will get a mental clarity. Though you might see some obstacles in your life right now, whatever the situation is, you will get a mental clarity. So this is your guidance. So don't stress yourself by overthinking, because eventually you will get the mental clarity on the situation what you are in. And the likely outcome is you will gain back your power to control everything what is going on in your life. If something is not going good right now, don't worry, eventually you will gain back your power over your life and you can control the things which are going in a negative way, and you have that power and strength to convert or to change the negative situations in your life into positive situation. So this will be your likely outcome, and eventually your wishes will grow like a tree. So in order to summarize, your emotional energy currently you're feeling, you feel regret, or you feel lost and you feel failure because of the relationship what you have in your life, and that is because of some third party which is creating a confusion in your life and you are feeling emotionally low. And what is hidden is you are trying to manifest this relationship back into your life, which will eventually give you growth and stability in your love life. Okay, but what you have to understand is, in order to manifest anything in your life or in order to make anything positive in your life, first you need to clear the negative energy around you. In order to clear or cleanse your emotions, you need to connect with your family and friends, and you need to spend a quality time with them in order to refresh your emotions. And once you cleanse your emotions, the divine will eventually bless you with not only the mental clarity, with all the emotions or all the thinking what you're doing, you will not only get the mental clarity, but also you will be very happy for the situations unfolding in your life in a positive way by celebrating with your family and friends. Eventually, not only that, you will get your power back to control things in your life and turn them into a positive direction. Then your manifestations will come true, which will grow big like a tree eventually. Trust what you are feeling right now. Your intuition is guiding you correctly. If this reading resonated, please subscribe to Mystic Enchantress 1111. There's more guidance coming for you. The next reading for tomorrow will go even deeper.